Hello friends, today in this video we are watching the latest fluted PVC wall panel design ideas. So friends, looking to give your walls a modern and stylish and low maintenance upgrade, PVC fluted wall panels are the latest trendy in interior design. And today's I am tell you why there is a becoming must have for Indian homes. And PVC fluted wall panels are decorative panels. It's made from high quality polyvinyl chloride. The features are glued of 3D texture that gives your all the rich modern look. It's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, lobbies, or even commercial spaces. And they are instantly luxurious and contemporary vibe to your interiors, available in wood grains, matte and glossy and metallic finishes. And a simple wipe in enough to keep them clean, no need to the for painting, polishing or extra care. So friends, these is lightweight panels can be installed on the most surfaces, even over exciting walls and advice or screws. You get the premium look without the high cost of natural materials. The future designs help to the reducing the echo, making the space of feel quieter and more comfortable. PVC flannel or Flantex lowers panels. This panel's price is at 3,372 rupees, and PVC fluted wall panel it's an 10 into 10 feet